The first thing is to get this bezel out, guys. And this bezel, to get it off the way that I do it, I'm gonna open ignition. You have to have the parking gauge, put it all the way down so you can basically pry this out. Okay guys, I'm gonna guide you as much as I can to this process. It's a very simple process. It's not that difficult, guys. I don't want you to think that, oh, how am I gonna do this? It's very simple. The first thing is to get this bezel out, guys. And this bezel, to get it off the way that I do it, I'm gonna open ignition. You have to have the parking gauge, put it all the way down so you can basically pry this out. It's gonna have clips, guys. Be mindful about that around the shell. Now guys, the dash pad is held by a 7mm bolts all around in this section of the trimming. I already removed some of them. Let me put this back up, and as you can see, it's coming already apart. And that's how it's gonna go, guys. It's just in sections. Normally in the very rear, that's why we have this extension, and those in the back are different size. Let's try the 9. And there you have it, guys. These are the long ones, guys. Put them separate so you know they are the sections over there. And it's gonna have, I think, like 3, guys. Actually 1 2 3 4 5 in total. And as you can see, you cannot lean on anything because it's gonna fall apart. We're gonna go to the other side. Okay guys, now the interesting part is right here in the airbag, and everything is falling apart in this truck. This one is already cracked, connection has been made. It's a mess right here, and it's full of stuff. Basically guys, what we're looking for is the access for the airbag, and it's down here. So we need to empty this glove compartment so we can get it down, and the way we do that is by folding it slightly inwards. And if it doesn't cooperate, guys, we're gonna have to get it from down here. No, it has to. It has no option for that. It has to come out that way. There it is. And then it come out by itself. And down here, guys, it looks like we're gonna have a 10 millimeter. Yeah, this was for the light. It's already gone. We have a 10 millimeter for the airbag, guys. And those are the two bolts underneath the glove compartment for the airbag. Let's get them off. It's only two. Oh, for what I remember, it's only two. Let's see. Once we have those off, it should be coming out. But we have two more right here holding it in the glove compartment. Those are 8s or 7s. We'll see in a minute. Those are 7s. Now it should come off. That's one more underneath. And yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 more 10s for the airbag, so we can remove it. And we have to remove it, guys, because the airbag goes on top of the shell. It should come off now. It's held by the bracket. We have this little bracket right there, which is for the locking mechanism in the glove compartment. Believe it or not, that's what is holding it. Let's see. It has a lot more bolts holding it. All this plastic is still holding it in place. We're gonna take them all out. It has some clips, but because the dashboard is already falling apart, it's not letting them go. That's what happened. I think we want to remove the airbag just to make this more simple. And this one, guys, you can remove it for underneath. It's an access over there, but I already have it almost out, so I just gonna play with the plug right here. No big deal for me. And it's just a little pin that holds it. We're gonna put the clips back into the airbag so we can attach it back into the vehicle. And this was the other bolt, guys, that we need to remove for our airbag removal. I mean for the shell removal. And yeah, it's also broken the vent, so it's very brittle. Has one more in the side. We need to use an L. This is our L. We want to use this one to get the screw in the side of the dashboard. Helping, I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Not helping either. Need a little extension. Got it. I have to do it with a little extension so it can reach beyond the rubber. You can see, guys, it's coming out in pieces, but it's coming out. Okay guys, from here is just cleaning, removing all the excess from the vents so we can start to load the new one. Basically it's the reverse of what I just did. It's nothing else, so everything is there. So we're just gonna clean up everything over there, vacuum it, toss the new one,